How to install and set up ING banking. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to set up your ING banking account, what you're simply gonna do is first of all go to App Store, then search for ING banking. After you do that, over here tap on the option Get. After the application is downloaded, open it. Now there will be two options in front of you. I have an account and I need an account. If you have already logged into an account or you already have an account previously, tap on I have an account, then enter your client number, your access code, and a profile name that is favorable and suitable to you. After you do that, simply tap on login, then you will be logged in. But if you do not have an account and need to make a new one, tap on I need an account. After you do that, over here it will take you to this page, slide it, and over here you will see all the informations about the banking. You can either open Orange every day, or you can go to the option Open Savings Maximizer or Open Savings Accelerator, or the various options that are given over here. If you tap on one of the options, then you can see a similar page over here. There will again be two options in front of you, that is a new customer and an existing customer. So if you are new, then go to new customer, but if you are already a customer, go to the option existing customer. I'll go to the new customer option. Then it will take you to your browser, and over here in the browser you can fill all the information about you or the questions asked by the application. And after you do that, you will successfully be logged into your ING Thinking account. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.